In this real review of Omega, the world's first automated Telegram traffic app, launching today, August 14th, 2021, on WarriorPlus from Billy Darr, Fen Goswami, and Justin Opay. We're going to ignore this headline. One click sends up to 127 buyers every 10 seconds to any link, website, or funnel without tech skills, experience, or upfront costs. And we're just going to jump right into what Omega is. Telegram automation. This is for setting up a chatbot to Telegram, to your Telegram account. Do you know what Telegram is? Telegram is the new era of messaging. If you don't know what Telegram is and you don't have a following, then I suggest you go to telegram.org and read the fact. What is Telegram? Who it is for? How is it different from WhatsApp? Telegram basics. Who can I message? Who can message me? Who can I write to? You can write to people who are in your phone contacts and have Telegram. Another way of contacting people is to type their Telegram username into the search field. You don't need to know their phone numbers to do this. Who can contact me? How do I know who in my contacts has Telegram? How do I invite my friends? Of course, how do I invite my friends would be a Telegram list. So back to the Omega sales page and this headline. One click sends up to 127 buyers every 10 seconds to any link, website, or funnel. Who are you sending this to if you don't have Telegram and you don't have friends on your Telegram app? Back to Omega, that's the point here. If you come in here, what you can do is you can actually connect your Omega account, and then under channels and groups, what you do is you set up different channels and groups. And how you do that is in the Telegram groups and channels list, click on the connect button to enable to configure your Telegram group or channel. If you're seeing no groups or channels found, message, click on the person button again. Basically, you click on this, and inside of channels and groups, you connect your channels, you connect your groups with an API key. Now, to do that, you're going to have to go back here, go up to Omega, go to tutorials, and under tutorials, they're going to show you how to search deals, how to use the video creator, which I'm going to cover here in a second, and then they're going to show you how to connect the Telegram API. And basically, you watch this 6-minute video and it walks you through how to connect your Telegram account to the API service. And again, like I said, it's a 6-minute video. The information is inside of there, so watch that. Understand that you have to go to your Telegram account, go into the developer settings and connect the API, but the information is in there. Here's more information on the Telegram automation, but here is where I run into a problem. Social share is actually a video about an older product. And let me try to zoom in so maybe you can see this if I hit play. Right there, this was called Alpha. This was for the Alpha dashboard, and this was a product by Billy Darr and company that is the exact same interface, just a different color, and was made for WhatsApp to do the exact same thing. Of course, the reason I'm showing you inside the training time and date, today is Saturday, August 14th, the day of the launch. It is 8:15 a.m. here in Arkansas, so this launches in a couple hours. And inside of the Omega training, they still have the training for their last launch, Alpha, which was an automated tool to manage and collect and generate traffic from WhatsApp. So they're still working on the training as of about an hour before the launch. So again, you go back in here, you connect your Telegram account, and then you start managing your subscribers from inside of this interface. It's going to show you some history of the conversations that you've had. It's going to collect and store the phone numbers and the email addresses of all the contacts that you've added to your Telegram account. And then there's something here called audit logs, which basically is just a graph showing you the number of replies by popularity. And this allows you to keep track of your channels and your groups, and who's replying or how many people are replying, total replies, number of subscribers, number of channels or groups. So where does the traffic come from for Telegram? Again, I go back to the Telegram fact. What is Telegram? Who is it for? How is it different from WhatsApp? Who is it for? Telegram is for anyone who wants fast and reliable messaging and calling. Business users and small teams may like the large groups, usernames, desktop apps, and powerful file sharing options. Since Telegram groups can have up to 200,000 members, we support replies, mentions, and hashtags that helps maintain order and keep communication in large communities efficient. How is Telegram different from WhatsApp? Unlike WhatsApp, Telegram is a cloud-based messenger with seamless sync. As a result, you can access your messages from several devices at once. So that's great. Again, the point here is understand what Telegram is, and if you're using it and you have an audience, then you can come in here and you can manage your channels and groups with this automated bot. But Before you purchase Omega, go to Google and type in Telegram Auto Post Bot and take a look at all the ways about how to go about creating an automated Telegram bot to post to your Telegram. These videos go back to 2019, 2020, and the latest one from 2021 on YouTube. Then you can see that there's apps right here. Postplan.app, Telegram Posting Automation Scheduler by Postplan. Telegram is a convenient messenger and great platform for blogging and representing your business, especially in the digital field. However, there's no way to schedule the publication of posts that has been released manually. Postplan will help you out in this situation with its free of charge Telegram channel post scheduler. Everything is free. The number of accounts is unlimited. Try it for free, and that's Postplan. And again, I found that by Googling Telegram Auto Post Bot. So do your research, understand what it is you're buying, and if there truly isn't another one out there on the market. As this states, this is the world's first automated Telegram traffic app. Now, when it comes to traffic, what you have here is social share, which means that you get to share out your Telegram URL. So this is your Telegram URL, and then whatever your Telegram URL is, and then what they've done is they provided these convenient buttons for you to share out to the rest of your audience that you have on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, WhatsApp, Viber, Snapchat, LinkedIn, Reddit, Tumblr. So if you already have followings and you've already built up an audience on these platforms, what this tool does is allow you to enter your Telegram URL, click the button, and share your link, which this doesn't even work. This is actually still sharing the whatsapp.com link, not even the Telegram link. So you can tell that, again, the day of the launch, 8:20 a.m. Saturday, August 14th, that they're still linking to whatsapp.com. They haven't even finished the software. So again, let me show you. Click on Facebook. It opens up. It's still sharing whatsapp.com. Just like inside of the training's not complete. They're still showing you the social share training for WhatsApp, meaning the developers haven't even finished Omega yet before, or right about 2 hours before the launch. So let's continue going through Omega. WarriorPlus deals. Click on this. It shows you a list of the current deals that are being launched. You can click here and visit the sales page of the product, or you can click here to grab deals, which simply just takes you to WarriorPlus, where you still have to find the affiliate offer and you still have to apply. So for example, it links you to this product domain flash sale. You have to click on this, then it takes you to the sales page so you can see that. Again, you have to go back to WarriorPlus. It didn't link you to the offer. You have to go up to affiliate. You have to go to offers, and then you're still left manually searching affiliate offers to find this deal, because Omega didn't actually link you to the affiliate offer. It just linked you to the vendor page. So this doesn't give you all the information needed as well. If you go back to WarriorPlus affiliate offers, you need to know the number of sales, the conversion rate, the visitor value, the average sale, as well as the refund rate. And then this is where you actually request your link. So again, go back, click grab deals. You can see they didn't even take the time to link you to the page that you need to be linked to. They just linked you to the vendor page. So going over to JVZoo, same thing, the name, the feature date, and the detail. Click grab details. It takes you to the actual affiliate offer page for JVZoo, but if you don't have a JVZoo account, you still need to log in, you still need to create an account, you need to set up how you're going to get paid, and you still need to request permission to promote this product, which is not guaranteed. So that's WarriorPlus and JVZoo deals. Let's take a look at the powerful creator that they're giving you inside of Omega. Here inside of Omega, basically what you do is they give you these templates, and you click on one of these templates. The template opens, and then you have the ability to drag these images and move them around. And if you've seen something like this before, or if you haven't seen something like this before, simply go to canva.com, click create a design, type in mobile, click on mobile video. You can see here, we'll go ahead and close that. You can see here that all you do at that point is you click here and you do the exact same thing by clicking on elements, and then you start dragging and dropping elements that you want inside of your Canva, and then you simply just download them. And then once you have them downloaded, then you could go and use your Postoplan, which is a Telegram post automation scheduler, which is absolutely 100% free. If you have a Telegram account, all you need to do is get Postoplan connected to your Telegram account. You don't need this interface, and you don't need Omega, which again is being sold as the world's first automated telegram traffic app, which it absolutely isn't. There's nothing here. There's no reason to buy this. The only thing that you're going to get access to if you buy Omega is you're going to get access to all the emails they're going to send you and all the upsells that are going to be available inside of this funnel, which the funnel looks like this. You buy the front end for 17 bucks and then you are offered the unlimited edition, and then you are offered the Omega Done For You edition, and then you are offered the Omega Automated edition. Inside the Omega Automated edition, you'll be able to activate all the automation tools. Inside of this, they're going to do it for you. So they're going to set up all the stuff that needs to be set up to drive traffic to the people that you have your audience on your Telegram app. You will still need to build your audience. And of course, you get Omega for $17. But if you want to buy Omega and you think after what I've shown you that it's still worth $17, do yourself a favor, exit off the screen before you buy it and get a $5 discount. My opinion on Omega, skip it, pass, you don't need it. If you want to build a Telegram audience, go build a Telegram audience. Use the free tools that are available that I showed you. The Post Plan Automated Scheduler, 100% for free. Canva, 100% for free. Log into your JVZoo account, log into your WarriorPlus account, find a good product to offer. And then after you do that and make a few sales, let me know how that worked out for you. And that is how you would go about using Telegram. You don't need Omega. This video was helpful. Go ahead, 30-minute timer here in the middle of the screen. Click it, subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos. Just like the one you see on the screen, click it, watch it. I'll see you there, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.